I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. Introducing first, from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, give it up for Daniela Rodriguez. And her opponent, she is the reigning and defending JWE Women's World Champion. Give it up for Angelita Matthews. And here we go. Angelita now grabs Daniela. Both against the ropes. Elbow shot right to the face by Daniela. Springboard moonsault, DDT connects. Angelita's down, knee to the face. Knee drop. Daniela now, oh! And Angelita just punches Daniela right in the face. Daniela now, elbow there. Daniela picks up Angelita. Settle the top turn buckle. Down goes Angelita. Daniela now going for the Canadian armbreaker. Connects. Now she's going for a knee to the arm. Ooh, that's kind of hurt. Now she's going for the European armbreaker. Connects. Angelita's back on her feet now. Puts Daniela in the corner. Now she's kicking her. She's kicking her again and again. She's topping a mud hole on her now. Oh, Daniela reverses it. Drops Angelita down. Stomps on the back of her head. She picks her up. What a brain buster there. Oh, Daniela's really good here. Oh, now European arm breaker. Oh. That's kind of hurt. Daniela now has Angelita right where she wants her. Heel hook applied to Angelita. Daniela's going for a heel hook again. She's putting the pressure on her leg. That's gotta hurt. Daniela now picks up Angelita. She's punching her now. Picks her up. Exploder suplex. Daniela now goes outside the ring. She's looking underneath the apron. What's she looking for? She has a table. She sets it up right there. Angelita's outside the ring. She pulls Daniela back in the ring. Angelita grabs the table. She throws it down. Daniela goes outside the ring. Oh! She hits the table. Angelita now gets thrown up against the table. Oh, falls right over the table. Daniela picks up the table. Throws it down. Goes after Angelita. Oh, drops her down in the helicopter spin. Then she slaps her to the head. Oh, misses the knee drop. Angelita now has Daniela. Throws her back in the ring. Daniela's back on her feet now. She's coming back outside the ring. And Angelita puts her back in. Angelita just fighting back here with everything now she's kicking it. Oh, what a suplex. Into a suplex. Oh, suicide dive. Angelita's down. But she's not out. Drops her down. Into an armbar. Being applied there by Daniela. Angelita has no. Angelita's back on her feet now. She throws her back into the ring. And she's coming back in without that table. Uh-oh, she gets caught. Into the ropes. Duck underneath. Leapfrog. Picks her up, kicks her. And again with a kick. Angelita goes outside the ring. She grabs the table, hits Daniela with it, throws it down. Daniela following Angelita. She grabs her, picks her up, drops her down like a sack of potatoes. Holy crow, uh-oh. She's taking it to Suplex City. Oh, one more. Boom. Angelita's down. Daniela picks her up. Oh, she's going for the cross-face submission hold. She has it locked in. Is Angelita gonna tap? No, she fights out of it. She gets out. Angelita now gets thrown onto the floor. Daniela picks her up, grabs her, throws her back into the ring. Daniela has the table. She throws it down. Daniela goes back outside the ring again. She picks up the table. She throws it down again. She has Angelita what she wants is backbreaker. Daniela's just punching Angelita. What a belly-to-belly suplex there by Daniela under Angelita. Angelita's in trouble now. She throws her back in the ring. Daniela's back in the ring too. Now she just going back outside the ring again. She goes over, picks up the table, throws it down, not putting it in the ring. Daniela goes outside the ring again. Oh, she hits Daniela. Daniela's back on her feet now. Angelita grabs the table, drops her down again, the helicopter spin, and she slaps her again. Knee drop. Angelita now. Oh, sweep the leg, Johnny. Gonna sweep the leg there, Johnny. Angelita now just rolls back in. She picks Daniela up, punches her down. Angelita now rolls up, gets outside the ring, picks up the table. She throws it down. Uh-oh. Torture rack. Oh! Knocks Daniela out. Angelita puts the table in the ring now. Slides back in. Daniela has not moved. Angelita's going top. She's going to fly. Oh, she does. She kicks her. Angelita now gets, thrown onto the floor. Daniela picks up the table. Hits her with it. And now puts it in the ring. She slides in. She has the table in hand. Puts it in the corner. Oh, not in the corner. Springboard moonsault. DDT connects. Daniela picks up the table. She misses. Angelita reversed it. Angelita has the table now. Hits Daniela with it. Now she throws it right on top of Daniela. She's kicking in the back. Angelita's going top rope again. She gets rug. Oh, she doesn't. Fall over. DDT. Down goes Angelita. Daniela now drops her down into an armbar. Angelita's in so much pain. Daniela picks up the table. Oh, Angelita reverses it. Daniela rolls out. No, she doesn't. She's in the corner. Oh, she hits Daniela with the table. She throws it right on top of her. She throws the second table on top of her now. Angelina throws the table again. Kick to the gut. Picks it up. Oh! What a move there by Daniela. She throws the table down. Daniela picks up the table again. She throws it on top of Angelina. Come on, ladies. Come on, Daniela. Put it in the corner. She throws the table down on her again. Angelina now fighting back. Daniela puts her in the corner. Uppercut. Hadouken. Oh, Angelina now fights back. Daniela drops her down into a helicopter spin. Angelina was outside the ring. Daniela's going outside too. She grabs the table, slams it down. She picks it up again, hits Angelina with it, puts it in the ring, slides back in. Come on, Daniela, set it up. She puts the table in the corner. She grabs Angelina. Oh, what a kick. Looks like Daniela is not getting... Oh, Daniela now. Daniela's back up. Springboard cutter. Come on, Daniela. Daniela. You can hear the chants. The chant in her name. Daniela puts the table in the corner. She picks up the third table now. She folds it down. Angelina now. In complete control. She chops the leg. Daniela's now. Going into the table. Angelina now. Going for a power bomb. She's done it. Here is your winner. And still the JWE Women's World Champion, Angelina Matthews. I'll be back.